Hello friends, welcome to Lifestyle and Creations in association with BMW Motorrad OSL Kolkata. I am Abhishek Jaiswal and today we are very honored to introduce the most exclusive brand in the world, the BMW Motorrad. This brand doesn't require any caption. The name itself is a caption above all. And today we would like to introduce the most exclusive newly launched R18. The design of R18 is based on the model of R5 which was introduced in 1936. So it is exactly appealing the same heritage look which you have seen in 1936 of R5. The teardrop shaped tank with a pinstripe on the tank. The chrome finish which was missing in 1935's R5. This R18 comes with 1800cc boxer engine, the biggest boxer by BMW Motorrad. This has some new generation exciting features like LED headlamp with LED DRLs. The design, it has got a teardrop shaped tank with a pinstripe which you have seen in R5 of 1936. This has got a fishtail shaped exhaust, as you can see, a beautifully crafted fishtail shaped exhaust. This bike has a lot of chrome work, right? You can see the chrome here. You can see the chrome on the engine part, the levers, rear view mirrors, handlebar, all comes in a chrome. Now let me tell you, R18 comes in two different variants. One is R18 and the another one is R18 first edition. The power figures are exactly same. Yes, some of the features you might not get in R18 standard, but you will get in R18 first edition, like hill start control, LED headlight, LED DRLs. You are getting the BMW badging on the rider seat. You are getting the Berlin built logo. This bike is a perfect cruiser for a person who wants to go for a longer ride. Now let me do the exciting part. Let me switch on the bike and crank the engine for you. Can you see the thump? This thump comes from the 1800 boxer engine, which you will love it while riding. Trust me. I have personally ridden this and I felt that power and I was in love at a first ride. You get this LED indicators. You have different riding modes, right, which you can use according to your road conditions. This bike has got something unique, very exciting, exposed shaft drive. This exposed shaft drive is amazing. You know, if you are riding and somebody is riding along with you, they can actually see how the shaft drive rotates. It's a very low maintenance, and the performance which you are getting in shaft drive, you might not get in the chain drive for this such a big cruiser. Though it's representing the design of R5, but comes with a latest generation safety features also. This bike has got ABS, which we call anti-lock braking system. This bike has got a dynamic braking control, automatic stability control, which tries to control your bike while riding. Bike has got a hill start control. So you know, if you are riding on a hilly region, on a hilly terrain, so there are high chances the bike gets slope, right? So in that case, hill start control will help you to stand at a same position. Guys, if you ride this bike, Trust me, you will be in love with this bike at first ride. You can customize this bike the way you want, right? You are getting lots of options in an accessories. The bike comes with a rider seat only, but you can add on the pillion seat with a backrest support. You can change the handlebar. There are 2-3 different types of handlebar, which actually changes the design of the front style. You can chop the fender and put a seat, which makes the bikes more scrambler look, more heritage look. There are some other unique accessories, like you can change the wheels. The wheel which you can see, it's a spoke wheel. Instead of spoke wheel, you can choose, there are an options of alloy wheel, right? So you can add the alloy wheel instead of a spoke wheel if you want to change the wheel. There are some other accessories also, like the engine guard, which is the most important part if you are riding a boxer engine, right? So there are high chances if a rider fell down, then the engine might get scratched. So you can use the engine guard for this boxer. This bike has got a heritage style meter console. As you can see, the teardrop shape fuel tank, 16-liter fuel tank capacity, which makes it good enough for a highway cruising. A nicely fuel tank cap, which is also comes in a chrome. As because I told you it's a first edition, so you will see lots of chromes. So a rider who loves to use chromes on their bike, the first edition is the best for them. Let me crank the engine once again for you. If you have liked this video, if you have loved the R18, please do subscribe Lifestyle and Creations. Hit the like button, share them, comment on them, and for more details regarding the bikes, you have to visit our OSL Motorrad store. Thank you.